Yes, Beta. Good morning, all of you. Welcome in science class. Today we are going to revise lesson 9 rocks and soil. Okay, the first है beta rocks. What is rocks? Rocks, the surface of the earth is made up of rock, soil and nutrients. Okay, and rocks are present in soil and are made up of grains of different size and color. और उन grains को हम क्या कहते हैं बेटा? उन grains को हम कहते हैं minerals. ठीक है, these grains are called minerals. Rocks are of three types: igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are formed by solidification of lava. Sedimentary rocks are formed by deposition of sediments, and metamorphic rocks are formed by change in the properties of sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. The word igneous means and resulting from or produced by the action of fire. ठीक है, and sedimentary means deposition of sediments, and metamorphic means change in properties of sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. Okay, igneous rocks are of further the example of igneous rocks are granite and pumic. Okay, the word granite is from grain rocks. ठीक है, it is formed by the cooling of lava and it is a coarse grained and it is used in kitchen slabs. Okay, now second will be pumic. Pumic is it is formed from lava which has froth. It is due to the trapped air within it. Okay, and it is only rock which floats and it is used as a foot scrubber. Okay, ग्रेनाइट को हम यूज करते हैं किचन स्लैब में, प्यूमिक को हम यूज करते हैं फुट स्क्रबर की तरह. Okay, now second will be a sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks is formed by the deposition of sediments. The examples are sandstones, limestone and shale. Sandstone are used in Sandstone is a soft stone that is made up of a sand particle and it is used in building materials, especially monuments में जो आपका रेड फोर्ट है या जो आपका रेड फोर्ट है, जो मॉन्यूमेंट्स वो आपका सैंडस्टोन से बना हुआ है. नाउ लाइमस्टोन, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ फाइन एंड सॉफ्ट ग्रेन एंड इट इज रिच इन मिनरल लाइक कैल्शियम. इट इज यूज्ड टू मेक लाइम, सीमेंट एंड ब्रिक. Now third है बेटा shell. Shell is made up of clay and mud particle and it is used to make bricks. These are the example of these are some sedimentary rocks. Now third है बेटा metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks when subjected to heat and pressure undergo a change in sedimentary rocks and in igneous rocks आएगा यहाँ पे, and igneous rocks then metamorphic rock is formed. Example of metamorphic rock is marble and slate. Marble, it is a metamorphic rock formed from limestone. Marble limestone से बना है and marble is used in flooring especially. ठीक है, it is used in making monuments like Taj Mahal. Okay, it can be cut and can be polished. Second है बेटा slate. Slate एक metamorphic rock है, वो किससे बनती है बेटा? It is formed from shell. शेल से बनती है, सेडिमेंट्री रॉक शेल के ट्रांसफॉर्म फॉर्म है स्लेट का एंड इट इज यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग ब्लैक बोर्ड, यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग स्लेट. ओके, सो दीज आर द टाइप्स ऑफ रॉक्स. ओके, second topic है बेटा precious stones. Okay, as you know that beta rocks are made up of minerals and minerals are of different colors. ठीक है, so precious stones are very rare and valuable stones found in the rocks. ठीक है, and it is often used in jewelry. And precious stone found in rocks, these are also called gems and they are very precious stones. They can clean, cut and polish to give a shine. Example है बेटा ruby, sapphire, topaz. They are used in jewelry because of brilliance and color and hardness. That is why they are used in jewelry. Now next topic है बेटा formation of soils. How soil is formed? Soil is formed by the weathering of rocks due to wind, water, heat. Okay, heat, rain and water that will cause weathering of rocks. Weathering of rocks is can take thousands of years or even more for the soil to form. Okay, rocks जो है ना बेटा, rocks are heated by sun and rain water cool it. So alternate heating and cooling make the make a crack in the rocks, and that is why rocks will break into small pieces. Second will be बेटा due to strong wind. पहला तो क्या था, अल्टरनेट हीटिंग एंड कूलिंग. देन सेकेंड है ड्यू टू स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स also and running water of stream also heat the rock pieces, and that will break into small pieces. And sometimes क्या होता है बेटा, sometimes the plant will grow into the rocks. Plant will grow in between the rocks, and when these plant grow up, their roots present in the rocks make a small gap, and that will break the rocks. So soil is formed by breaking of rocks into tiny particles by rain, by wind, by plant growth, etc. So this is the method how soil is formed. Okay beta, so this is your chapter lesson 9, rocks and soil. You will revise this chapter beta. Now we will do revision worksheet of lesson 9, rocks and soil. Okay, so question number 1, what is humus and what role does it play? So you have to write what is humus, define humus, and what is the importance of humus, what role does it play, okay, in the soil. Okay beta. Now question number 2, what are pebbles? You have to define pebbles. What are pebbles? So write here the definition of pebbles. Now third, fill in the blanks. Okay, you have to fill these blanks. Correct answer beta. Soil is formed by dash of rocks. Soil is formed by dash of rocks. Second, marble is a transformed form of dash. Marble किसका transformed form है बेटा? Marble is transformed form of dash. Mixture of shell and limestone is used to make dash. शेल और लाइमस्टोन के मिक्सचर को हम क्या बनाने के लिए यूज करते हैं? मिक्सचर ऑफ शेल एंड लाइमस्टोन इज यूज टू मेक डैश. ओके बेटा. नाउ बेटा ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. फर्स्ट है igneous rocks that make up nearly 95% of Earth's surface. That is true or false? Igneous rocks make up nearly 95% of the Earth's surface. Second, many forest fossils are found in shell. Many fossils are found in shell. That is true or false? Write down the correct answer. Okay. Now question number 5, beta, label the component of the soil. You have to label the components of the soil. What is this? Write the name of each component of the soil. Okay, here in the box. Now question number, circle the odd one. You have to circle the odd ones. Granite, pumic, slate. Which is the odd one? You just circle that. Second, igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. And third is ruby, diamond and pebbles. Okay, you have to write the circle. You have to circle the odd ones. Which is different from others, you have to circle that. Okay beta, so do this worksheet in your fair notebook. Okay, and revise the chapter that is 9, rocks and soil, for the test. Okay beta. So beta, you have to revise lesson 9, rocks and soil, for the class test that will be held on today, that is 2nd Feb. Okay, so best of luck beta. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.